guys, welcome back to my vlog on my YouTube channel. Sorry, no, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I am going away. Can you guess where I'm going? Comment down below and guess where I'm going. I'm going away on Saturday and I cannot wait. Yeah, so right now it is holiday prep. I'm going to get my nails done. I might just vlog like for the majority of the day, to be honest, because yeah, it's gonna be a cool day. So I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna meet one of my friends to go creams, and then I'm gonna go to Troy Bar in Shoreditch. I don't know if you guys know about Troy Bar. That's where I'm going. So I'm quickly running. Unfortunately, I'm not driving. So I'm quickly running to what's its face to get my nails done, basically. 1 second. Hey guys, for someone that is like hair is not even finished, I actually look quite cute. Okay, so I'm almost there, guys. I'm getting my nails done by Avaishla, the famous Avaishla, guys, my school friend, and I'm so proud of her. She's doing so well, so definitely might give her a follow. To her, she don't whoa to be honest, she don't need no more followers because she's got like how many already, but no, honestly, go and follow her. Book her, she's incredible. She could do pretty much anything. So yeah, I'm gonna go in, do my nails, guys. I don't even know what I'm doing yet, and she's gonna kill me because I am the most indecisive person ever. Like, I never know what I'm gonna do or stuff. So no, it's gonna be going. Hi. So funny. Let me lie you. I'm being forced. Has to be done. Guys, make sure you follow her. Okay, she don't need no more followers like I said before, but you know, you might as well. Avaishla, yeah, the Avaishla, guys. Everybody's like, oh, but you know Avaishla, yeah, no more. Now she's got something new coming soon, guys. Yes. So it's a secret. Keep your eyes peeled. You must, but still. Oh my gosh. My Dubai vlog, yeah, I had some guys, someone come underneath it, I don't know who the heck it was. They're like porta potties, they're like hi porta potties, underneath all the comments, you know. Not just one comment. He went underneath every other person comment and said hi porta potties. You can't go to Dubai in peace. So. Oh my gosh. I was like, sister, really for all of us. Yeah. Really for all of us. I thought, what? There's a couple sisters though. Yeah, there's a couple of them though. Wow. A lot of them don't know that they're getting into that specifically. Yeah, some of them close before. Some of them like really like a choice. And some of them actually just want that lifestyle. Yeah. So they're willing. Get pissed on for 50 grand. No. You didn't get pissed on? No. Hours. For 50 grand. 50 grand. Just the piss though. Not the shit. Did you see the video? I didn't see that. I was like, I need to see what's going on. So someone's like, show me it. But when I saw it, I nearly vomited. I said 0.5 seconds. I couldn't watch it. I could not anymore. I said no. But if someone, think about it, if someone's gonna pay you 50 grand, just pee on my level something. You wouldn't take that. Are you telling me you would not take that? Comment. 50 grand to pee on my leg. Guys, comment down below. Would you receive 50k for someone to piss on your leg or your body? What about in your face? Your face. Alright, go on. Alright, go. 50 grand? Are you dumb? As long as it don't go in my ear, in my nose, in my mouth, I'm sorted. I will take that. That's as far as I'll go though.
Yes. The G. Come in. Welcome back. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm so sorry. Yesterday was just... I didn't vlog very great yesterday. I didn't. I really, really didn't. It was just... it was something. Last night was something, but it was fun. I went Dropoff. I'm sorry I didn't vlog there, guys. I really should have vlogged that Dropoff so you guys can see what it's like. Like, I love it. It's a music spot. It's a hot music spot. Like, it's good. It's lit. It's lit. It's fun. It's nice. It's vibes, drinks, food, you know, all that kind of stuff. There's just a lot going on at night. I'm tired. So anyway, guys, I've just done the school run. So I've just dropped my niece to school. I picked up the keyboard because she's got a keyboard lesson afterwards, but she's going to do it like by Zoom at mine. So done that. I've got my violin in the back. I don't know if I told you guys. Where is it? There it is. I've got my violin in the back, and I'm basically taking it to the music shop to get tuned. So before anyone says anything, I know I can tune it myself, but I'm terrified because when I was younger, I tried to do a tuner and I popped the strings and it lashed up my face, and then I didn't touch my violin for like months when I was younger. So I may take it to music shop now so they can tune it for me, because there's something I want to try and do. I don't want to try and do basically, but I do want to pick up the violin again. Like, guys, I do architecture, for those that don't know, and it's really intense. So it's really a lot. Like, it's really hard to try and do anything else that you want to do in this life because you have to commit so much to this degree. So things like music that I absolutely love, I have to in some ways put it on hold or not do things, or I just don't have the time. I just don't have the time, which is annoying, which is upsetting, but I can't wait to graduate, honestly, and then like just work on all jobs. So then obviously my free time, whatever, I can do more music. Anyways, so I'm gonna go take it to get tuned, and then people are actually gonna show me how to tune it and hopefully tune it safely, and I won't feel some type of way, so I don't have to go back there again. Yes, I won't feel some type of way about tuning it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I need to run home. I need to record something. There's so much to do, guys. I fly out in how many days? I'm supposed to get my hair done tonight. My hair needs washing. I need to wash my weave. Like, there's so much to do, and I have to pick my niece up from school. Like, what? I'm at mum. I'm tired. I'm very tired. I got home late last night. Wake up early. Get a little girl that was testing my patience. She was testing my patience this morning. Like, guys, why do kids think that we were born? Never, because my niece, yeah, like these kids' generation, yeah, them and their flipping iPad, like I hate that thing. Like, it's so jarring. It's just so, because they get so addicted to it. So basically, I must have she basically tried to take the pillow downstairs, and I was like, where are you going to the pillow? And she took the iPad off the pillow. So she tried to hide the iPad in the pillow to take it downstairs. Like, my name is Fool. Like, why are you going downstairs with a pillow? Do you know what I mean? Then I took that and I hid the iPad, so she was not watching her iPad this morning. Like, no, eat your breakfast. We need to go. Let me chill. Anyway, let me chill. I'm gonna try and vlog in the violin shop, actually, in the music shop. So I'll take you guys with me. I'm currently in. Should I say where I am? Yeah, I guess I can say where I am. I'm in Croydon at the moment, guys. Going to the Croydon music shop. So hopefully the person that needs to tune it is there, because I've got things to do and I need to. Yeah. See you in a bit.
There we go.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Fine tuning you can just do from them.
Okay.
But if it's a long way out, like a couple of them where you have to adjust it from the pegs there. And
Okay.
these just work by friction, so
Okay.
you just have to really sort of go for it.
Okay. Okay, great. So.
And you do, ideally, you need something to tune to. I used an electronic tuner, but
Okay.
a piano or something like that, or you can get an app on your phone. But,
Yeah. Okay,
yeah.
but usually mainly will just be at the end here that would need to.
Yes, but the weather's so changeable at the moment that it will move more than just the fine tuning.
Okay, no problem.
At the moment, because it's staying hot at present, but as soon as it goes cold again, it will go completely out of tune.
Sure. So how do I know when to use this one?
It's how far out the note is. You need
Okay.
some reference thing.
Yeah.
If it's more than sort of like half a tone out,
Yeah.
then you need to do it from there.
Okay, got
If
it.
it's just half a tone either way, you can use the fine tune.
Okay, got it. All right, thank you so much.
No worries.
Guys, I wasn't recording. I still had to press it.
Oh my god.
Guys, we're laughing because Definitely. Started like, I thought I started filming and I didn't, so I was there talking, finished the video, and I pressed the button to stop it and realised I hadn't even started. That's why we are crying. So I'm gonna have to repeat everything I just said. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's Shanice. Take 2. Yeah, and I'm getting my hair done now. I'm getting my hair done. We are 3 days away from... I'm not telling you guys where I'm going yet, am I? Yeah, so I'm 3 days away. I mean, you guys are going to figure out when I post the vlog. Okay, so guys, I'm going to Jamaica. Woo! We're going to Jamaica. Me, all my cousins, my brothers, all that kind of stuff. We are going to Jamaica and we're going to live our best lives. So today's Wednesday. We leave on Saturday. And everyone is just doing what they've got to do, like the girls, as I was saying before, in the video that didn't actually manifest. Girls ain't packed not one thing. Cases, clothes, nothing. I'm joking. They started packing, but we're almost there. I still have a few more things to pack. I've been going back and forth with my cases and all this kind of stuff, but I think I know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, we're all just ready to just go and put our feet up and live our best life. Guys. So just getting my hair done now. I'm doing straight bundles. I'm not really on the wig thing, but let me know down below what you guys prefer, wigs or sew-ins, and let me know why, because apparently wigs are the way, but I don't like them. It feels like a hat. So yeah, I'll show you guys a finished look of my hair, my little boy braids. Not gonna really show you that, but I'll show you guys a finished look. Tomorrow, I can't really remember what I'm supposed to be doing tomorrow. I'm supposed to be doing something. I need to do that video, so maybe that. I need to edit as well. And next day I'm going to do wax, eyebrows, and my toes. And then I should be ready. And then we take the suitcases to the airport the day after. We're so tired. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't shown you guys my hair yet, but this is what we're working with. So I know I'm in all black out here, but I just finished a gig real quick. And you know what, because I'm in the area, I'm just like, I am here. Instead of coming back tomorrow to do like my eyebrows and my toes or whatever, let me do it now, because I am not in the shop. So can this person help? Oh, thanks. So guys, yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows now. Ooh. And if they're open, yes they are, praise the Lord. And I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, a lot more clean, a lot more sharp. Hey guys, okay, so if you know, and if you're not from London guys, you know that before you go on holiday, you have to do the last bit of holiday shopping in, what's this place? Primark. So that's where I am right now. I'm in Primark, and I actually ordered this orange swimsuit of Shein, but my boobs were like, it would be great. So now I am looking for things that I don't know that I need, and I'm looking for the orange swimsuit. And I think I might need some sliders actually. I think it would help to have sliders. I think it would help to have a lot of things right now that I don't need. Oh. I wonder if I should run these. What if it gets wet? How will it take to it? Guys, I don't know. Sorry, this camera view is not the best. I haven't got my tripod, so I'm kind of just doing the most right now. Let's get this pair of these flip-flops, because we're going to need these. These are actually quite cute. I wonder if I want these instead. I don't know. So anyways guys, so yeah, I'm in Primark. Oh, do I want this little hat? No, but I bought one the other day. I don't know. I want a hat. Do I need to try it on? What am I doing guys? What am I actually doing with my life? What am I doing? I really do need some sliders. It's like a simple something, you know? It's like a simple something. Should I get black or should I get pink? Big questions. I feel like I should pick up a basket. This is quite cute. And I just want basically flip flops, so it's not me these. Guys, what do you think of my hair? I don't think I'm used to it yet. These tights are riding down. The reason I'm wearing tights in this heat as well, for London is getting hot now, is because I was at like church basically, and I had put on a dress that I haven't worn in ages, and Tim was reviving up like mad. I said, look, this might work. But I did bring the tights as backup, but I just don't think it's really doing what it's supposed to do. And I feel like the tights are riding down and the skirt is riding up, and we're just in a mess. We are in a mess. Anyways, whatever. Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. I am currently going to get my toes done now. So I'm currently going to get my toes on. That's not my hair. I'm currently going to get my toes done now. And then I need to get my wax. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need, and things are actually coming to mind, so I need to go and get a few more bits of those things. What is those things? Am I going to cross the road? Yes, I am. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go and get a few more of those things, and I might go to the airport early because my friend's birthday party is today. Big up Zalika, big up you, 25, oi. So yeah, I'm going to try and get to the airport for about 6 when the baggage drop-off opens. Drop that off, go back. I've never driven the motorway before, so I was really going to do this motorway run. Oh my gosh, I think it's full. 1 second. Hi. Just toes, paint.
Just toe paint. We're quite busy this morning. So
Is it?
come back later.
What time?
12 o'clock. About 12?
12.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you. You know, go back this time around 12 o'clock. I have things to do. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, guys. They just opened, and every man is natural. They're moving mad. Things I need to go and do toes first because they will get busy like that. So I've got to walk to the next one. Hold on, let me see what the next one is. Guys, how was you guys like first waxing experience? Mine was traumatic. It was really, really traumatic. Yeah, it was really, really traumatic. So, yeah. Guys, there's so much to do today. I have not recorded the singing video that I'm supposed to record. I bought an interface, so I was wearing my brother's one, and they sent the interface without the flipping cable. What's this one? Oh, juicy. Hold on. Hi there. I just want to get toes painted.
Is it normal colour or gel?
Normal colour.
Probably around
10:45, half an hour. Okay. How much is it?
So normal colour is £10.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. I'll come back at 10:45. Thank you. What's the time now? Should I go and get the wax? Okay, so I just licked the back of my foot. Anyways, okay, so I've got those last little extra bits. So I got my hoop earrings, but guys, I don't usually like getting my hoop earrings from the hair shop. Like I stopped that ages ago because it was kind of just, you know, a bit weird with my ears. So, but like River Island and all them places, they're not selling the giant hoop earrings, and that's where I got it from before. So I had to set up for the hair shop earrings because they were just right in front of me, and I was like, do you know what, let's just see how this goes. So we're gonna see how that goes. Yeah, I'm going back to the nail shop now. Hopefully it should be ready for me soon, and then I'm gonna get my wax and then go home. Okay guys, I'm finally in the shower. Get my nails done. There's so much to do. There is so much. Isn't it? Can we start my nails? There is so much to do, guys. So much to do. So after this, I'm gonna go get my wax, and then I'm gonna go home. Technically finish like packing. Technically finish packing. I need to record. Maybe I don't know. I need to record this video. I'm really praying to God that I get it done, honestly, because. So I'm gonna do all of that. Finish packing, and I'm gonna drive to the airport to drop off our bags, and then go to my girl's party later. Link up with Sam and then go to my girl's party later. So good forward to that. The vibes all the way around. What's that? The vibes all the way around. See you guys in a bit. Quick stop, guys. Thank you. Pardon? Yeah. I'm just gonna run with him Primark quick because he wants to get a few things, and then going home, finish packing all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what's up. Crazy are currently on our way to Gatwick, about to drop off our cases. Checked-in stuff already. They kind of recommended that we do this just to avoid the queues and stuff that's happening at the airport, that you guys are most likely to see what's going on. So we're doing this just to make our lives easier. So tomorrow when we come, we literally just go straight to security. So yeah, we're just on our way here now. And then I'm gonna rush back home. I'm gonna get ready and go to my girl's party later. I may do some returns as well, actually. Hopefully. What's happened? Why you stay so? Don't be like that.
Shuttle to the North Terminal is approaching.
Why? You're hiding yourself from people. You're doing funny stuff. What's happening? It's just a pushing. Hello, people. We have reached Gatwick because that was such a nice and easy walk. Basically, parked
shuttle to the North Terminal
at my aunt's and then walked. This is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Mr. Sir, your water. Hello. Mr. Sir. Hello. Your water, sir. Come. This guy's right there. I look mashed up, but I promise you I will not be looking like this the whole holiday. It really is because, like, mash up. that's the only explanation for it right now. But yeah. I'm sorry, gosh. Okay, guys, that was mediocre stressful. But at the same time, it wasn't. Like, it didn't. I don't like you. I don't like you. So yeah, sorry. There's too much going on. So it was actually okay, guys. So basically, the only stressful thing about it was that obviously my actual case was overweight because I am trying to shove a lot of stuff in my case. It was like 30 kg. So I jacked some things in my brother's case. And I took a few things out. Well, I'm gonna have to squeeze into my hand luggage, which is pretty much already full. And I might have to just dash a couple of things in my cousin's cases because everything after come. It's after each yard. So yeah, other than that, it's all good. That was pretty much quite quick, even though I had to open my case about 5 times to take things out and weigh and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, that self-checking thing, guys, if you're gonna fly out, check in your case the day before. Saves the hassle because now ultimately we have to do is just walk through security. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So yeah, on my way back home now. Gonna shower, get ready to basically go on the road to go to the dance hall, but I need food. I didn't take a crisp out of the bag. So eye you up like that. No. Where we going? So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit later. My little demon. It's the birthday girl. It's the birthday. What? Where are we going, guys? Jamaica!